Hi guys, welcome to another video from MWC show floor. We are in Barcelona, and what you see in front of me is something pretty cool. Gone are the days where you're gonna have to actually attend concerts with human musicians. This is a robot musician setup by ZTE. What they've actually done is they've used AI to get these robots to play the drums and the piano. As you can see, the robot in front of me is just going to start playing the drums. This is an entire musical show that ZTE is doing. It's not implemented over 5G, it's implemented over simple Wi-Fi. The music has been pre-fed and the robots are just following instructions and doing their job. So yeah, one of these pretty cool concepts that we saw at MWC 2019, a cool robotic concert. Look forward to more of these videos on digit.in. Keep tuned in to our YouTube channel, to our Instagram channel for all the hot news from MWC 2019. Until then, enjoy the show. So that was a quick musical concert by these three robots at the ZTE booth, and they're going to do something very cute. They're going to stand up and bow down now. As you can see, the robots are bowing down and nobody is clapping, but that was a great show, guys. Thank you for joining us, and as I said, stay tuned to our YouTube channel, to our Instagram channel, and watch out for more such cool stuff from MWC 2019.